खायथिनि सिनि YTF 12 Takarjala constituency ni block declaration o jagao sini president dongnai sini borom gnang takuk Bijesh Debarma, working president borom gnang Bipin Debarma, vice president borom gnang Buton Debarma, vice president Sonjit Debarma, Sonjit Jomatia, vice president Bimol Debarma, vice president Benjamin Molsom, vice president Bapon Debarma, secretary wo tongnai borom gnang Dibar Kolai, secretary Rahul Debarma, secretary Chitan Debarma, secretary Shitol Debarma, secretary Hakim Debarma, secretary Ashish Jomatia, secretary Niranjan Debarma, treasurer wo tongnai borom gnang Simon Debarma, organizing secretary tongnai borom gnang Julius Debarma. They warriors yakeba member sing member to yapon bas warriors no warriors rongkha Sonjit Debarma, Bipana Debarma, Dev Kumar Debarma, Budu Kumar Debarma, Seleng Debarma, Ganesh Debarma, Moniram Debarma, Sontush Debarma, Somendra Debarma, Bishokoloy, Somresh Debarma, Ojoy Debarma, Martin Rangkol, Pranjit Debarma, Sotish Jamatia, Sani Debarma, Shamal Debarma, Rakesh Debarma, Porimal Debarma, Taun Mohan Molsom, Amir Debarma, Rahul Debarma, Tinku Koloy, Padma Debarma, Somburam Debarma, Govindo Debarma, Ashish Debarma, Saranjit Debarma, Diton Debarma, Ajit Debarma, Sambohari Jamatia, Rajesh Debarma, Bishwajit Debarma, Robindra Debarma, Subham Debarma, Deepak Debarma, Gopal Debarma, Rajesh Debarma, Bimal Debarma, Bipas Debarma, Bapon Debarma, Kishore Debarma, Methu Debarma, Lakshman Debarma, Ashit Debarma, Laldu Molsom, Rajesh Debarma. Obrongka sini YTF block 12 Takarjala ni block committee ro.